Wish we could try these mind-blowing food hacks? Then stay tuned, because we're testing them out! Yep, even that one. No way! Does this even work? It probably tastes awesome either way. There's only one way to find out. Oh yeah! But first, the most important ingredient. I'll start with about half the bowl. This isn't gonna break it, right? Nah, it'll be fine. Huh? Do I smell smoke? Something's definitely burning. Oh! What happened? Matthew? What did you do? Oh, I'm trying out TikTok food hacks. Then you'll probably need this. Don't forget protective gear. Let's get cooking! Ever seen this trick before? Apparently it creates an electric current. That's incredible! Definitely trying it out. Nice! Now all we need are some juicy apples. Now stick both coins in one apple. Now attach the second apple. It's time for the fun part! First, put in the prongs. And see if the phone charges. Aw, man. Wait! Maybe we just need a little more juice. Good thing I went to the store yesterday. Got more metal?
Yeah!
These coins should do, right? We definitely need more than that. I'll be right back. Don't mind if I do. Whoa! So much for my shopping spree. We've gotta get all the money out. I don't have the heart to do it! It's too awful. You do it! Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! That's what I'm talking about! My beautiful piggy bank! I had quite a bit saved in here. Goodbye, new shoes. Looks pretty good. This time we'll use all the apples. Think these are gonna be enough? And for the final moment of truth. We have power, people! Whoa! Whoa! Have you seen his explosive hack? Looks kinda dangerous, huh? Let's try it! Okay, but hold on. Let's use this container.
Whoa!
That way the explosion will be epic!
Aww.
Especially with all this soda fuel! And I've got some mints to match!
Yay.
Let's do this! I guess we'll just pour them all in. Makes you kinda thirsty, huh? Just be sure it doesn't bubble over. I've never seen so much soda before. That's the last of it. Are you sure we're ready for this? Maybe there's too many mints in there. Actually… you'd better put these on. Here we go! The bubbles are starting already. Hey! All the bubbles stopped. Well, that was sure a waste. It's safe. Well, that was a big fat flop. Or maybe we're just missing something. If you're gonna do this, you need the pressure of a bottle. See what I mean? I was drinking this! Love popcorn? Turns out you can pop these kernels with a hair straightener.
Ooh.
Matthew! Matthew? This thing isn't even hot. Whatever. You have to plug it in first?
Whoa.
Ooh. Now things should start to heat up. Press on the kernel. And wait for things to get poppin'. You sure you don't want to use a microwave? How is this not done yet? Come on! Pop! Whoa! Did you see that? Oh, it actually works! A real piece of popcorn! One down. About 1 million to go. What do you say we use something a little more efficient? Like this regular iron. This sucker pumps some serious heat. Prop it up and put foil on it. Then pour on the kernels. The ridges on the foil keep things contained.
Huh?
Almost forgot. This is gonna be so much fun! They're starting to pop! Hey! They seem angry at us! Duck and cover! Oh, that worked better than expected! Hope you're hungry! Hey! You hear all that rumbling? Oh, good news sure travels fast around here. The snackers are upon us! And girl, do they love popcorn. Woohoo! Hey! All we have left are scraps.
Ew. Yuck.
Why have regular fruit when you can have gummy fruit?
Oh, wow.
What? Alright. Come on. Just kidding. It's a watermelon, see? It's a joke. I know.
Amazing.
Am I a genius or what? There. That should be good.
Oh.
She's gone.
Huh?
And there's our melon. Hey! You go. No, you go. I'll give you chocolate.
Fine.
Is the coast clear? I got it! Ooh, that's heavy! Matt! A little help, please? Oh, jeez. You should start working out. Matthew! Oh boy. Wait for me! Huh? I could have sworn I took the melon out. Chocolate and watermelon! And chop! Here. I was thinking of something more heavy-duty. There we go. It's totally working! Impressed? Just one movement. Looks pretty good. Let's start scooping. And we may as well eat it. Just a few more giant juicy scoops. And we should be done in no time. Last piece. Now, for the gelatin portion of our program. The water's ready. This is gonna be delicious. A little pop of color should be nice. Don't forget to stir it all in. Yes. Pretty! Now into the watermelon you go. Oh, not too high. Let's get this baby chilled. We'll see you in a few hours. Oh, it looks perfect! Can you believe it? It's finally ready! Let's cut this bad boy open, huh? Lo and behold!
Wow.
Oh, the perfect jello melon! You take the first bite. Yummers! What flavor is this? Okay, it's kinda growing on me. Did you think any of these TikTok cooking tricks were actually legit? Well, thanks to us, you didn't have to make a mess in your kitchen. Which TikTok cooking hacks do you wish we tried in this video? Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.